Hello everyone! I'd like to share with you a tutorial on how to modify your graphics card. First of all, let's take a look at this video card, Gigabyte 2080 Ti 11 GB. Next, we need to change this 11G card to a 22G card. Use steel tape to insulate the core. We need to apply soldering grease to all 11 memory chips on the board. Apply soldering grease to all of them, using a heat gun to remove all the memory. All the memory has been removed. Next, we need to process the pads. All the pads are ready. Next is to install a single 2GB Samsung brand, new high-frequency video memory. All the memory is installed. Okay, next step is to use the test software to scan. The scanning result shows that all the memory is installed normally. At this point, we need to change the identification resistor according to the drawing. Identifying resistor change. Okay, next, we need to clean the soldering oil around the memory. Install all the thermal pads and apply thermal grease. We'll test it later. Installation okay. At this point, the capacity of the card shows 22 GB.